Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. In today's video, I will show you the simple process on how to activate MetroBank credit card online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know exact process on how to do it. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC. Now search for Activate MetroBank credit card. Now scroll this page a bit down and there tap on this Activate card link. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Now drag this page to the bottom. And there you will be able to see card activation, and there you have to enter your credit card number, expiry date, and fill in your captcha in this box. And once you're done with filling all the details required, tap on proceed button. And once you tap on proceed button, if the details you have typed in are correct, you will be able to activate your MetroBank credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.